Whew. Alright guys, so I know it's probably difficult to tell what the hell you guys are looking at. Like, you're like, it's dark out there, what are you even looking at? What are you showing us? So, just bear with me. Here's my tart. If you can see, that's the new torque converter. That thing went on easy, and yes, I got it to go in 3 times. You have to listen for 3 clicks or taps or whatever you call it. I've done my research on this, but you want it to be sitting back about 1 inch away from the flush surface of the bell housing. You grab you a straight edge. In my case, I used a carpenter square. Same thing, but yeah, you want 1 inch from that edge to the whatever you call this thing here, the torque converter. But yeah, it's gonna be a pain in the butt in order for me to get this back on this transmission jack. I'll be able to do it, it's gonna take a lot out of me to do it. But before I can put it back up, and yes, I did pre-fill it, I had about 3.5 quarts of fluid, and I ended up spilling about half a quart. So I've got about 3 quarts in that torque converter right now. Like I said, I ended up breaking that vent tube on the top, and that it's either the inlet or outlet tube. It's $30 from AutoZone, so I've got it coming. Those 2 parts coming. So once those 2 get here, I can replace them. And yeah, we all have our vices. But yeah, like I said, I can replace those 2 parts on the transmission, and then I can get the transmission put back in the truck. Once the transmission's put back in the truck, I can get the truck started back up and go for a ride and see if the extreme vibration is gone. If not, I'll look for it elsewhere. Could be the transmission itself, but I do know that this is a super easy job. I haven't been at it all day. We just came back from town, and I spent 10 minutes filling up the torque converter and putting it back on. I mean, it was super simple. So what's going to take the most time, I know, is getting that transmission back on that transmission jack. But once it's back on that transmission jack, it's a done deal. Send it home, get everything bolted back up, throw the batteries back in, fire it up, and go from there. I do plan on changing my transmission filter, and I've got a brand new valve for my accumulator. It's the 1 to 2, first to second. Now, I do have a lifetime warranty on the accumulator, but it's a simple job. I can do it myself, and I'm using the exact same parts, so shh, it'll be our little secret. Don't tell them. So if I do have any issues, all I have to do is send it back, and it's still under warranty. But again, shh, it's our little secret. Don't say anything. I'm Batman. Later, Gators.